Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, once again, we are going to run my favorite binary option robot, Alpha Master. This robot have proven for us that have a high win rate, and we are printing money with this robot. You can download and get started with this robot also. Just use the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, make sure you like this video if you like this type of videos. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel, so if you're interested about that, check it out. Also in the end of the video I will show you all the trades, the win rate and all this good stuff, and of course the profit. But now let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it, 17 trades, $432 and 71% win rate. How amazing is that? So you can run this robot also. Just download the robot from the link below and get started today and start to print money like I do. So with that, have an amazing day.